Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg yolk by itself. First, let's get everything ready. The most crucial step is to gently separate the yolk from the white. You want a clean yolk, free of any stringy albumin. Prepare your cooking setup, whether it's a small non-stick pan, a heat-proof ramekin, or a double boiler. Having your tools and a tiny amount of liquid or fat ready will make the process smooth and simple. For a beautifully soft, custardy yolk, poaching is an excellent method. Bring about 1 inch of water to a very gentle simmer in a small saucepan. The water should not be boiling vigorously. Carefully lower your clean egg yolk into the warm water. Let it cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. You'll notice the edges firming up and the color becoming a lighter yellow. Use a slotted spoon to gently lift it out. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, pan frying is a great option. Warm a small non-stick pan over very low heat, adding about half a teaspoon of butter or a neutral oil. Gently slide your separated egg yolk into the center of the pan. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can gently spoon some of the warm fat over the top to help it cook evenly. The yolk will firm up and develop a lovely, slightly golden crust on the bottom. Once your egg yolk is cooked to your liking, it's ready to be enjoyed. These rich, flavorful yolks make a fantastic addition to many dishes. Try them atop a piece of warm toast, stirred into hot pasta, or alongside some steamed asparagus. A simple sprinkle of sea salt and a grind of black pepper is often all you need. For extra flavor, consider a tiny drizzle of high-quality olive oil or a sprinkle of fresh chives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.